Hi everyone and welcome as you join me, Raymondo Lee, and my family today as we take a walk around the stables at Calke Abbey. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is the roundhouse. It's a grade 2 listed building. Do you know what this is, Jasmine? Do you know what this is? One any idea? This is an animal shelter dating back to the mid-19th century.
And the horses from backing south.
So they're doing some sort of nativity in the house at the moment. But it was designed in this way to prevent a horse from backing into a corner, especially during giving birth. This is where the cafe is, coffee shop. Oh, they did a wedding here as well, didn't they? This is the stables. Mask, son of Squirt. Squirt remained at Calke and became the grandfather of Eclipse, most famous horse in the history of British flat racing. It's interesting. It's got the old wooden cabinet smell in here, the old wooden smell. From the helmet lock. Juniper. Frentum. Scaramouche. Racing silks. Warm post 1793. Wow. One prior to 1793. Has recently returned to Calke Abbey from Newmarket. The horseshoes from the most successful Harper racehorses were placed on the door with the horse's name and year of winning scratched on. Oh wow. Pretty cool. This is part of the stables. Horseshoe. Throwing the beanbag up. You got one in. So thank you very much for watching this short one today. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I will be sharing some more uploads from Calke Abbey. So thank you and goodbye.